This is a piano tutorial on an old Elvis tune, Are You Lonesome Tonight? And the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to play this as a soloist, where you would play the melody in your right hand. And this is pretty tricky, so I want you to, if you have access to my materials online at FreshLearn, and I'm assuming that you're one of my students who's been to the instant piano class, that's how you get that. There is a document there that will have the music that you can print out, and it has the melody line there for Are You Lonesome Tonight? And I want to walk you through the fingering for this, because the main thing about fingering is you want to be able to plan ahead so that you don't run out of fingers and have to do something awkward. So this one starts on an E. You're going to be on your thumb on that E. And that allows you to go up there. Then when you get to the word Are You Sorry on this A note, you want to change your third finger to your fourth finger there. That'll get you through the rest of that phrase. Now at the start of the next phrase, you're going to move your thumb to this F note here. Then you get to the beginning of the next phrase there, you're going to put your thumb on that D note, and you're going to do 1, 2, and then go under with your thumb again. That gets you through that phrase. The next phrase, you're going to move your thumb up to that G note. And then you're going to have your fifth finger on that C, and then your third finger on this G, right here. Then you move your hand position up to your thumb on this A. Then your fifth finger on the D, second finger on A, your thumb on the G, second finger on that F sharp, and back up to the G again. Now you're at the next phrase there, your thumb on E, then lift your wrist up, put your thumb on the C note there, then your second finger on this G sharp, and your thumb on A, and your third finger on this C, and that gets you through the rest of the song. So pay attention to that. I want you to practice the melody and take some good time on that so you can get confident with that and also feel very natural with that fingering that I just gave you. And then you're going to play the chords for this in the left hand. You have a C chord, which is going to be in root position, C, E, and G. And you do that for the first 4 or 5 measures of that chorus there. Then you're going to go to A7, which is this chord here, A, C sharp, E, and G, and then a D minor chord, D, F, and A. Then your next chord is G7. So you're going to have D, F, G, and B. You got that for a few measures there. And when you get back to Sweethearts, you're going to go back to that C chord again. Then you go to C7 on do the chairs in your parlor. And then an F chord on empty there. F, A, and C. Then D7 on the word gaze. D, F sharp, A, and C. And then you go to G7 on picture. D, F, G, and B. The next phrase is your heart filled with pain? That's a C chord again. and then D7, D, F sharp, A, and C, then D minor, D, F, A, and G7 again, and then back to C. And this is what it sounds like with both hands. Very nice.